know, for some reason it like had my hair itching like crazy. Hi guys, I'm AdriannaSamone. Welcome to my channel. This your first time tuning in. Welcome back to my channel. This is not your first time tuning in. As you guys can tell by the title below, I will be sharing with you guys how I refresh my braids. So this is just like a quick video of how I refresh braids. If you have braids in your hair for like 2 months or a month, I don't know how long you guys keep your braids in, but this is just a video of how you can refresh them and make them look nice. What I would do to refresh my braids is to take out my edges and do my edges over, but I'm not gonna do that. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and also click that bell so that you may be notified when I am uploading the video. I'm washing now, so if you hear like bumping noises or something spinning, that's just my washing. This is just to give it some shine. Yeah, I'm gonna actually put the link down for this down in my description box below because this works absolutely good. I usually don't put oil in my hair with braids because I don't know, for some reason it like had my hair itching like crazy. But this oil works amazing. It has my hair growing. If you've seen my previous video, or if you've seen some videos like that, show you how I grew my hair, one of the things that helped me is oiling my scalp. I use Shine Jam Eco Styler Gel. Y'all know this is my favorite gel. If you watch any of my other videos, this is my favorite go-to styling gel. Like, I use this a whole lot. Favorite, they like little cotton scrunchies. I love these little scrunchies. They are like so. Show you guys how I restyle and refresh my hair. As you can see, my ends definitely do need to be, restyled because I don't want no thirsty hair. And yeah, I'm just gonna show you everything. So enjoy the video. Enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and also click that bell so that you may be notified when I am uploading new videos. I would also like to say thank you to all my supporters, all the people who support me through this journey. I have 300 subscribers. Whoop, whoop. And I have 1.1k views on one of my videos, and I'm super excited about that because I'm getting up there and I'm super happy. Also, I would like y'all to try Blue Naturals. They have everything. They have oil, they have conditioners. I'm going to link everything in the description box below. I hope you guys have an amazing day. I hope you guys have an amazing week. Do not forget to like this video. Do not forget to comment on this video. Do not forget to subscribe to this video. And do not forget to share this video with your mama, your daddy, your sister, your boyfriend, whoever, your girlfriend. I truly appreciate all the support. And I'll see you guys in my next video.